Hey guys, it's Bear here, returning to preparedness, helping you prepare not only for your doomsday, but your everyday. Probably asking yourself what we're doing today. Well, today we're in the kitchen and we're going to make some sauerkraut. We're going to make it in a mason jar, show you how easy it is. Alright? So first, start with a head of cabbage. I already rinsed it, I pulled off all the bad stuff, and you have to excuse the noise. My dog is trying to scrape at the floor here. First thing you do is you cut it right down the middle. Like so. You take that in half again. Cut her down. Okay, right down the center. Now at this point, you're going to take this core out here. Just like that. Toss that off to the side. We'll give that to the chickens later. You can also look and see if there's any blemishes that you want to take out. You don't want any of that in your kraut. So you take that core out. It's fine because it's not going to go to waste. It's all going to go to the chickens. And they love it. Pull those out. See, now on this one here, got a little bit here. So we'll cut that off also. There. That's gone. It's fine for the chickens, not fine for your kraut. Okay? Now, you're going to take this, each quarter, and you're going to slice it super thin because you want it to be like shredded. Okay? You could shred it, but I find this to be just as easy. And since I've already got the knife out, I might as well keep it going, right? And this is the authenticity of having homemade kraut, right? Getting uneven, different sizes, you know, just the way I like to do it. There it is. So now, take this, and you put it in your bowl. Kind of make yourself a layer. Okay? Yourself a nice layer going here. It's my dog trying to get through here. Bucks, come on. Get out of there, buddy. Alright. So now that you got that, right, in your bowl, you got your salt. You're going to need a tablespoon of salt, and optional is any sort of seasonings you want to add. I like caraway seeds. Has a little nice flavor to mine, so that's what I'm going to use. So now what you want to do is sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. Doesn't take much. A little bit in each time. A little bit of caraway seeds in there. Sprinkle some of those in. Then move on to the next quarter. You're going to do each quarter like this, exact same thing. All we're doing is slicing. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Your kraut. Just want to make sure you get thin enough so that it's actually like sauerkraut. That way your bacteria can get in there and get it fermented like it's supposed to. Alright. So add that to our bowl. Now, a little more salt. A little more caraway seeds. Something that is really easy and simple to make. Way better than any store-bought product you're going to get. And, not intimidating as people like to think it is. Health benefits for any fermented foods is unbelievable. Should be getting some in your diet every day. Bugsy. Well, it sounds like. All right. Now, let me pushing that back, position that back into place. Put this back in my bowl. And a little more salt. A little more caraway seeds. And last one. He's looking for scraps. He knows I'm cooking. Put that on top. Board now. Sprinkle the rest of our salt on there. The rest of our caraway seeds. That's done. Now, what we need to do is take a spoon or your hands. Spoon here. You're gonna mix it all up. You want to make sure that salt never gets on every single piece here. That's what starts to get the fermentation going, and that's what draws out the liquid from your cabbage. So I'm going to use my hands instead. Just easier. See that? It's already starting to draw out liquid. See, it's already getting wet. Salt, and that's a good thing. That's what you want. Losing some here, that's all right. I'll get back in the bowl. All right. Now we think we got a good mix. Come on, baby. Making a mess here. All right. Now we got it good and mixed here. Let it sit for a second. Rinse our hands off. And you ready to start? Right, so now you want to take your packer. Get this nice kit on Amazon. You want to start smashing down all the cell walls, breaking it up, releasing all those juices out of there. See, I didn't pick the best bowl for this here, but that's all right. So, packing it down. Okay. See how nicely that's packing down here already? That's what you're looking for. You want to keep it going though, and get it flat. So now what you can do, take it, toss it around a little bit, so you can get the other side, right? Get those going. All right, so you're just gonna keep doing that till you get nice and flat. Come back and show you when we're ready. All right, so now that we got it all pounded down, like so, you can see the juice kind of coming out of there. What we're gonna do is gonna take it, put some in your jar. Okay. Get a nice little bit in there. Don't worry, we'll clean the lid after. Then you're gonna take your packer here. You're gonna pack that down as much as you can. Get that down all the way in there, like so. Okay. See that? Get your hand out of the way there, Barry. See that? Get it all packed down. You can see the liquid coming up. See the liquid kind of coming up and taking over. That's what you want. You want it good and packed in, and you want all that liquid in there and no air. And you want all your cabbage to be underneath the liquid. Okay. It's okay if it's messy. We'll clean it up after. So, packing it all down in there. Like so. Alright. Some more in here. Okay. Pack that down. Okay. Next. See, all that liquid is coming up above it. That's what you want. It's perfect. Pack some more in here. Now they say you want about 2 pound head. Mine was actually closer to 3, so I'm not exactly sure that I'll be able to get all this in there. That's all right. Look at how good that looks now. Go a little bit higher with it. Gotta leave room for your weight on top, and you gotta leave room for the ferment to bubble up without it exploding. But you want to make sure that everything is packed down in there. See all that juicy, all that liquid coming up. That's what you want. You want everything below that liquid. That is perfect. And we got quite a bit in there. Yeah, I think we're good. Now what they say in the recipe book is to take this leaf, keep one leaf, okay? You want to put that over the top. That does is helps hold everything in there. So you just put that in there like so. And make sure that gets under the liquid as well. Okay, that holds everything down. So when you put your weight on top, and your weight is submerged underneath that liquid. And now, everything will be locked up tight underneath there. Good to go. Rinse my hands here. Gotta wipe your lid off. Clean that up. What we're gonna do here now, wipe your rim, get that all cleaned off there. Alright, so we got that. Take your top here, screw your lid on, like so. Make sure this is, you can see that in there. You want that, make sure that's got, so it's vented. These are the Mason Tops fermenting kits. These things are great. There you go. There's your final product here. Alright, so there we go. Final product. Put this, make sure this is tight. Air will bubble out of here. In about 3 weeks to a month, you'll have fresh sauerkraut. Then you can just pull that lid off, put your regular lid on, stick it in the fridge. Should be good to go. You want to keep this in a dark place. Okay, cool dark place. You know, room temperature's fine, but somewhere dark where light isn't getting into it. Check it every once in a while, make sure it's not seeping over and everything's looking good. You'll be able to see the fermentation and smell it taking place. So super simple, super easy. You can see it didn't take us long to put this together. It's a great food to have. in your diet, and great thing to learn how to do for, you know, the survival situations. Again, this has been Barry with Journey to Preparedness. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the Facebook, Twitter, check out our website, journeytopreparedness.net, and we'll keep her coming, all right? Till next time, peace, love, and all the above.